we're going to replace it. Before we replace it, let's see, clean this little canister out. It's fairly clean, it's not that dirty. Little cleanup job here. Let's just use paper towels this time. Doesn't have to be all that clean, but the cleanup helps out, right?